They bring the Botox and they inject it all over the face. Haphazardly, you would see something called the Korean Botox. I thought before, like, it's a type of botulinum toxin that is manufactured in Korea. No, they bring the Botox and they inject it all over the face haphazardly without specifying which muscles should be relaxed, which muscles should be ignored. Living in UAE, I understand they use some names for marketing reasons.
Yes.
It doesn't bother me as much as when you see people doing the misinformation. Like, you hear Korean glassy face, and then when you see
What is that?
like, they do the dermapen, and after they recommend them to use a high concentration of retinol, which is contraindicated after you do that procedure because your skin is already compromised.